Hello and welcome to Daddy in the Kitchen, where I make tasty and healthy recipes for kids. Today we are making a wholesome meal that's so tasty yet easy to make. Yes, it's a chicken fried rice. To make this, I have taken 300 grams of boneless chicken and I've cut these into thin slices. Next, we are going to marinate this with half a teaspoon of dark soy sauce, half a teaspoon of vinegar, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, and the salt that's required for the chicken, and mix this all well. So today we are making this fried rice that will serve about 2 to 3 people. Next, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of corn flour. So this corn flour will coat the chicken well and let it to retain the juices within. And this needs to be marinated for 15 to 30 minutes. So let's set this aside. Next, in a wok, preferably a non-stick one, add 2 tablespoons of oil and add the marinated chicken. Keep the flame on a high and cook this for about 5 to 6 minutes. See, the chicken is almost cooked now. So do not overcook it, otherwise the chicken will become hard. So just cook it for about 5 minutes or so. And remove this from the heat. And let's set this aside. Next, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil again and crack open 3 eggs. And we are going to cook this eggs for about 70% done. Add some salt that's required just for the egg and cook these. So do not overcook it, just cook it, undercook the eggs because we are just going to leave this in the pan itself. Now make some space and pour some oil. Add 4 cloves of garlic, finely chopped. 1 medium-sized onion, finely chopped. And slightly fry this. Now add half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. So the ginger garlic paste gives a nice taste, but do not add a lot. Now next I'm going to add some chopped vegetables. First, half a cup of chopped beans, half a cup of chopped carrots, and fry this on a high flame. So we need to cook till the vegetables are half cooked, and always cut these into small pieces so that they cooked quickly. You can add any vegetables of your choice like chopped mushrooms or chopped baby corns, chopped cabbage or any other vegetable, but just add the vegetable that takes the longer time to cook first and then gradually keep adding the ones that take lesser time. Next, I'm adding some chopped capsicum and fry this a bit. Now add the fried chicken and give this a nice toss so that the chicken mixes along with the vegetables and gives a nice taste to the overall fried rice. Next, I have 1 cup of rice, which is 240 ml of basmati rice, soaked for 20 minutes and cooked for 8 minutes. You can see how flaky the rice is. So add this rice, keep the flame on a low and gently toss this. See, the rice needs to be only about 80 to 90% done. Otherwise, it will become mushy and become sticky and you will not get a flaky fried rice. Next, add 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of vinegar and mix all this well. You can see still how flaky this is. Now add the required salt for the rice and some pepper powder and bring the flame on a high and give this a nice toss and mix everything well. See, the fried rice is almost ready now. You can see how colorful and flaky this is. So to finish it off, I'm just adding some chopped spring onion shoots and give one final mix, and the fried rice is done. See, this is a very wholesome meal because we've added nice chicken and fried the rice. See how beautiful this is. It is so inviting. Wow. See how beautiful the fried rice is. Not sticky. It was very tasty. And hope you'll try this recipe at home. Thank you for watching Daddy in the Kitchen, and for more such tasty and healthy recipes, do subscribe to Daddy in the Kitchen channel, and thank you once again.